In this video, we'll show you how to install AccountEdge Network Edition. From the link in the email you receive, you'll get a zip file. Double-click the zip file to produce a DMG file that, in turn, you can double-click to start the installation. Agree to the terms and let the process begin. First, just drag the AccountEdge icon into your application folder. Next, you'll need to install File Connect. Just double-click on the package and this will start the installation for File Connect. You only need to start File Connect on the computer that hosts your company file. We'll show you that shortly. Let's go ahead and restart and we'll be right back. Once restarted, go to your System Preferences, where you'll find an AccountEdge icon. If this is your host computer, go ahead and start File Connect if it isn't already running. You'll need to do the following steps on all your AccountEdge computers. Go to your Applications folder and double-click AccountEdge NE, which will start the first-time installation process. The first-time installation can take some time, depending on your internet speed, and will require you to agree to some terms at various stages. We'll go ahead and speed up the video here. Once the installation is complete, AccountEdge will automatically start. Repeat this installation on all your AccountEdge NE workstations.